ever the opportunists, today they're nipping ticks from the cracks and crevices of the giant's wrinkled old hide. Wallowing in the cool mud comforts the overheated male. He's not only hot, but also bothered by an infestation of blood-sucking ticks. The mud bath helps all round. But this mud bath has another unexpected benefit. A group of very unusual beauticians is hard at work. Two animals mutually benefiting each other may seem unusual. But all across the continent, there are animals cooperating in a complex web of life.